Hey everyone, my name is Sagar, and today we are going to discuss about what the top six mistakes many Facebook organic marketer make while they do Facebook organic marketing. So let's talk about first mistake, that is that putting only sales related content, only sales content. So the solutions to remove this mistake is like putting some different content, like following the VRL formula. What the VRL formula? It is like value, uh, results, and lifestyle. And also, if you have seen my other videos, I have already talked about that JK5 method is a good, where Russell Brunson mentioned that how Jenna Kutcher had shared that uh, there are five type of content you can also share. Right? Apart from these three, you can also add like family, your faith, what you believe, right? That is what you can add up to. But this is the basic formula, like VRL, like value, results, and lifestyle. That is a good way to get more attention, more audience through your social media profile. So basically, we're talking about here in the Facebook. Now, what is the second mistake? The second mistake people does that people start adding people friends, but they never talk about it. They never interact with them, right? So what is the solution about it? Like you can what you can do is whenever you add friends, Facebook sees like how many people you are actually contacting, you are really making friendship, right? It is not about only adding people, making big numbers. Also you should start conversations with them on Messenger, right? So try to start up the communications when you add new friends. Another thing is people may ask like how I'm going to start. What are the things I should talk about? Definitely now people are very much aware that if you start just instant conversations, they will catch you like you are doing some fishy something. Something can be you might be selling some your stuff, right? So what the best way to start? It is the best way to go to their profile, something they have posted recently, and you can talk about that recent post or something you have seen that you really wanted to know about it themselves, right? Just ask them in them inside the messenger. That's where you can start up open conversations. Once you make relationship, understanding their problem, if you have solutions, then you can also provide them. That is how you make conversations, right? That's the second most important thing. The third most important thing is not engaging with your friend post. So guys, like many times we feel that our post is not getting the reach to many people. Still, you have thousands of people in your friend list. How? Because you are not engaging with your friend content. So there is should be a two-way communication, right? Right. Whenever you open your Facebook, at least try to spend like uh, sometimes with engaging with some reaction rather than just liking the things. You can put reactions, right? You can also put in this video whatever you were watching, because this content is distributed among 4 to 5 platform. Whatever call to action you see, it's a like, subscribe, anything or some reactions you can give, so that it will help me to reach out more and more people, right? So similarly, also try to help other people in your feed, so that you can just don't like it, just make some reactions. Once you make some reactions, it will show that like you are engaging with other content, and your content will definitely show to them. Once they you see that there's a two-way communication happening, start commenting them, some you give value comment, right? So that the once they reply, there should be like there is a two-way communication happening. That's why your content will show up to more and more people. And one more thing, one bigger mistake in this point, I just wanted to figure it out. To just scroll and just sake of liking the things. Don't do that. If there is a long post, Facebook know that to read this post, somebody might take 2 to 3 minutes. They know that what is the average people can read this post, right? Whatever average time. So take time to read that post, then give a reaction, then give the comment. That's where the Facebook says, okay, you are not just mm, using bots or something, like you are just scrolling something. where you actually reading the post and giving the value comment. That way you will get more attractions, right? That's the point number three. The point number four is posting uh, in your feed or creating new post without warming of your audience. So what is the solution about it? The solution would be that when you start planning to post something, so before that, what you can do is you can just go to your story and go to your feeds. Like I told you in the um, same process you should follow. And warming of your audience before the post is important, so that Facebook see that you are an active member, so that whenever you post, the chances of getting reach to your post is very high, right? So what is the five? Five is using words like comment here or like this post. This is thing I learned from today itself. If you have watched Danny, I did interview Danny. Go and watch it. Like I recently he made a post and I learned from this post. This is like uh, you should not do like comment share or like this post. Instead of that, what you can do is if you wanted to get likes, you can say smash the reactions button or smash the like button. So it the keyword is a little different, right? And for comment, you can also write that share your thoughts. That is what you can do it. So this is all about the point five. The last point, which is very much important, that is putting the links on your post. Even I made so many, uh, I made this same mistake like so many times inside my profile that sometimes I share YouTube link. So if you wanted to really put the link, then what you should do is you can post in the comment section. That give you it considered as a normal post, and it will give you a more engagement, more people you can reach out for. So that is the like six top mistake that you should avoid while you do Facebook organic marketing. And many people ask that what should I do organic marketing? If you are new, if you don't have many followers, start with your profile page, something kind of have very less reach that you can later on include into your paid ads. The thing is, start with your profile. That is the best way to start organic marketing, right? So tell me guys in the comment section, what is the one outcome or what is the one mistake you can improve upon, right? So that I'll get to know about more about what exactly people are struggling. And yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button so that I'll get more people get to know about this six mistake they should avoid while doing Facebook organic marketing. Thank you so much. Bye.